I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change an Audi A3 headlight bulb. First, always ensure your car's engine is completely off and cool to the touch. Safety is paramount when working with electrical components. You will need a new bulb, a flathead screwdriver, and possibly a pair of gloves. Confirm your Audi A3 uses the correct bulb type, like an H7 or H11, before you begin. Having these items ready will make the process much smoother and quicker. Let's get started with accessing the headlight assembly. To access the bulb, begin by opening your Audi A3's hood. Locate the rear cover on the back of the headlight assembly. This cover is usually black and secured by a tab or retaining clips. Carefully push the tab or release the clips to remove the cover and set it aside. Next, reach inside the headlight housing for the bulb socket. Twist the socket counterclockwise by about 30 degrees and gently pull it out. Once the socket is out, carefully pull the old bulb directly from it. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Insert the new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it is properly seated. Now, guide the bulb socket back into the headlight mounting seat. Twist it clockwise by approximately 30 degrees to lock it securely into place. After installing the new bulb, replace the headlight rear cover, making sure it snaps firmly into place to protect the assembly from moisture and debris. Now, start your Audi A3 and switch on the headlights to confirm that the new bulb is functioning correctly. Check both the low and high beams. If everything looks good, close the hood. And hey, if you're looking for some seriously comfortable and durable socks, check out the link in the description for darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.